Hello children, welcome to today's lesson on French language. Bienvenue. Remember that in our previous lessons we learned about the French alphabet. And learning of an alphabet is never complete without using the letters to make words. For example, when you learned the English alphabet, you were given the sounds, and in that process the letters were used to make words. For example, you had the sound of the letter A in the word apple, as in A is for apple, B is for ball. Today we will be looking at some recitations using French alphabet. Remember that the last time we learned French alphabet, we said that the French alphabet are just the English alphabet. And just like you pronounce the letters of the French alphabet in phonics, that is the way you pronounce the letters of the French alphabet. Just like you pronounce the letters of the English alphabet in phonics, that is the way you pronounce the letters of the French alphabet. But remember, we said some of them, not all. Now, let me take you back to the French alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, Y, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good. Now we will take these letters and make a word. Let's start with A. A for ananas. B. B for banana. C. C for ceinture. Ceinture. That is a belt. D. D for drapeau. Drapeau. That is a flag. E for elephant. Elephant. That is an elephant. F for fenêtre. Fenêtre. That is a window. That is a window. G for gum. Gum. That is an eraser. H. H for horloge. Horloge. That is a clock. A clock. E for igname. 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 That is a yam. J for juge. Juge. That means a judge. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. That is a kangaroo. L for lion. Lion. That is a lion. M for montre. Montre. That is a watch. N for nut. Nut. That is a mat. O for orange. Orange. That means an orange. An orange. P. P for pom. Pom. That means an apple. Key for key. Key. That means a tail. The tail of a lion, the tail of a cat, the tail of a dog, whatever tail it is. R for regular. Regular. That means a ruler. S for sack. Sack. That means a bag. T for table. Table. That means a table. U for uniform. 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 That means uniform. V for votre. Votre. That means a car. W for wagon. Wagon. That means a truck. X for xylophone. Xylophone. That means a xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. That means a yacht. Z for zebra. Zebra. That means a zebra. So you see, these are letters of the French alphabet, using them to make words, just as we have in English. Thank you very much for being with us today. See you next time. À bientôt.